Welcome to the future of bearing remanufacturing. The Circular Solutions Centre, Gothenburg. A centre leveraging SKF's core competencies to deliver high-quality, low CO2, remanufactured industrial bearings. This is where automation meets human craftsmanship and where increased capacity meets efficiency. Serving a wide product range, from standard bearings to more special and large-size bearings. Different types, different brands. A full-service circular offer all in one place. From RFQ to delivery. Extend the service life of bearings and get added value. Your bearings will perform like new, at a fraction of the cost, with shorter lead times and up to 90% less CO2 emissions. Same product, same standards, no shortcuts. SKF Remanufacturing. Too good to be replaced.